My Family by eslkidsworld.com. This is my dad. My dad likes to swim. He swims every day. This is my mum. My mum likes to cook. She cooks every day. This is my brother. My brother likes to play basketball. He plays basketball every day. This is my sister. My sister likes to play football. She plays football every day. This is my grandpa. My grandpa likes to read. He reads every day. This is my grandma. My grandma likes to sing. She sings every day. This is me. I like to play. I play every day. For more videos, click the like button or subscribe below.